base. Home base right here. Did we just rip down here? We just rip. Oh my goodness, we just stunk up the home base. Did y'all hear that? Don't. This game sucks. I'm just kidding. Can you move this box? Golly, that was so loud, bro. She's gonna be coming right away. Let's give it a second. Yo, can we stop ripping butt cheeks in here, dude? Oh my goodness. Yo, we're gonna turn these off, bro. Yo. She's close.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Patrick, if you jump... Oh, God. Yo, can we stop? Why's the audio messed up? Oh, controls. Why is the audio distorted, man? Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Except, chat, she is gonna hear y'all playing noises. I'm just kidding. No, she's not. Don't worry about that. Dude, we are the gassy... What did we eat before coming to Granny's house? We had to have just downed some Taco Beezy. Could make a move to go downstairs to the little study room, check the drawers.
Okay.
Donkey Kong, bro, you can't be doing that. Ooh, I hate that room.
Come get you some crunchy, boy.
The combination of Granny appearing as that got played. It's about to be in the well.
Come get you some crunchy, boy.
I don't want no Captain Crunch. We just ripped our pants again. She's at the elevator. Stop, bro. Y'all scaring me.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Patrick. Did she go away? Yo, she is camping! Then we gotta start making a trick. Donkey Kong, bro. Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. We know we'd have everything for the door at that point. Granny, you just ripped coming around the corner. Yo! Granny just ripped coming around the corner. Bro, did y'all hear that? Probably aren't making profit.